Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce my Haikal Fikir pertama. Here I will explain about solar power generation. Definition of solar power generation. Solar power of uplift as PLTS is a power plant that converts solar energy into electrical energy. The generation of electricity can be done in these ways, namely directly using photovoltaics and indirectly by concentrating solar energy. Photovoltaic converts light energy directly into electricity using the photoelectric effect. The contraction of solar energy as a lens or mirror system combined with a tracking system to focus solar energy to a single point to drive the hair. Next, solar power plant components. Number 1, inverter and controller. Number 2, solar panels. Number 3, BOS or balance of system. Number 4, battery. Next, type of solar power plants. Number 1, VLTS SHS. Number 2, controlled VLTS. Number 3, VLTS water pump. Number 4, VLTS roof. Next, advantage of solar power plants. The first, solar power is renewable energy and never runs out. The second, solar power or sunlight is relatively cleaner and also environmentally friendly. Number 3, solar power does not need special maintenance. It is more vertical when compared to coal or petroleum energy, which requires special treatment or process. Next, the downside of solar energy. Number 1, solar energy is only effective in the water hot. Solar energy is only available at certain times. Number 3, insulation costs are too expensive. Conclusion. The first solar power plant VLTS is a generation system environmentally friendly, saving for long term as flexible for placement and maintenance free. The second, the launch of the prototype made in this is a system generation is better than the generation system with only assist on generation only. Number 3, generation synchronization is done by changing the voltage and current on PLN network for 220 VIC to 20 VDC is safer and answery because it can avoid the frequency difference caused by the two generation. Thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.